My name is Tom. I've worked at SlurryKat for more than 2 years. What made me want to work in SlurryKat is I have a friend here who's actually a supervisor in the CNC department, and he said, we have an opportunity, come work here. So I was like, yeah, I'll take a chance. I enjoy most about working in SlurryKat is the people. They make it a great place to work and make it fun and enjoyable every day. What interests me about working in SlurryKat is the machinery. It's amazing, and you get taught and learn how to use it every single day. I do think that there's good progression opportunities in SlurryKat. There's definitely chances to become a team leader, supervisor or manager one day. I would recommend someone to work in SlurryKat.
My name's Dylan. I wanted a new opportunity just to learn something different, and thankfully I got an opportunity here to do so. I love seeing the products, from where they're starting to where they're finishing. In terms of the finished article, it's satisfying to look at. For me personally, from a painting perspective, I always wanted to, enhance my skill set. And from the standards that you could see from SlurryKat, I could only think of maybe, improving, and going with SlurryKat, that's what was the difference for me. It was good progression for me personally. I came here, had never lifted a spray gun at all, and they gave me the opportunity to do so. 2 years later, now I'm a spray painter, and now, this is the standard that's being set. Yeah, great opportunity. Yeah, 100%. There's plenty of perks for working with SlurryKat. You can finish early on a Friday, 2 o'clock. There's bonus scheme, good incentives. You want to work more, push on. So definitely great opportunities.
My name's Johnny Mitchell. I'm wanting to work at SlurryKat because the great opportunity doing an apprenticeship is welding and fabrication. It's like the challenge of making tankers, and every job's different. Yeah, there's good progression opportunities because if they see you're able to do it, they'll let you out of it and let you move up. Yeah, I'd recommend working at SlurryKat.